Alright guys, got the Grizzly G0602 in. Gonna be getting it home tonight, but just so we had a shipping dock and place to unload it rather than pay for the liftgate service, but seems to be all in one piece and looking good. Also got a bunch of accessories. Got the 24-inch eye gauging DRO scale for the carriage, and then the 6-inch DRO scale for the cross slide, and then I'm gonna Frankenstein a digital caliper for the tailstock there for depth, but that'll be a little later. Gonna get this home later, get it up on the workbench. That's almost done, but it's structurally done for this. And there's the 4-jaw chuck. It comes with it. Got a 32nd to 5/8 keyless drill chuck for the tailstock with an arbor. Fit right in there. Pretty much hold anything I need. Still going to be shopping around for a quick change tool post, but I think that'll do just for the time being. But going to be get some more videos when this is home and all set up.